Yo, what's up, everyone? We're back on live now. Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. One second here. Should be on live here too. Yo, what is up, everyone? We are back now on live, and yes, before you tune to the live stream, please remember, please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, you all have to do your own research as well. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you all. Good to see you. 1 second here. Give me 1 second. All right, perfect. So 1 second there. All right, we're good. Yo, A's my guy. Honestly, dude, I do see a couple good trades end of day that I am waiting for a swing. So not gonna be bad. So hold on 1 second here. Alright, so now let's keep on going. 1 second here. So, we'll go to the queues. McDonald's. Yo, Ashok, what's up? Good to see you. Alright, so, personally, I am waiting end of day for some more swing trades. Today was a pretty great day. Pretty good day. We had a couple good scalps throughout the day. But now, it's time for some swings. Honestly, let's go to So, on a 5-minute, let's go over what I was looking at. Yo, John, what's up? Good morning, or good afternoon. Good to see you, man. So as of right now, I didn't end up taking some longs. Once we ended up breaking past this 521 area, ended up going up for a quick scalp. On a 5-minute though, so yes. Honestly, bro, I don't even I don't even have the chat pulled up there. So yeah, I'll have that chat pulled up as well next time. So yeah, no worries. Alright, so as of right now, what do I see here? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll be there next time. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, I definitely can't even see that chat. But yes, clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do we need here? And same exact thing here, guys and gals. Really appreciate it. Hold on, I gotta tell the team that we're on live right now. 1 second here. Alright, yeah, we're on live. Alright, so on a 5-minute, this was what I was waiting for currently. As you can see, what did I see here? And same exact thing here, guys and gals. We saw this clear move up of no consolidation. And this is exactly what I wanted to the downside. Obviously, what do I see here as well? There is another top wall, bottom wall here. So this bottom wall that I'm seeing that needs to be broken, as you can see, 1 second here. So there is this bottom wall here that looks really good, really decent. As you can see, two body wicks closing directly with the same line. And under us, we have empty space. So the empty space that we want takes to the downside. Yo, Catherine, what's up? And Tesla, yeah, let's go over that too as well. So let me go ahead and write that down. So yeah, so if you have any requests, if you have anything you guys and gals want me to go over, drop them down below. Pretty much we'll be getting ready for the end of day swings. I do see a couple of good ones at the end of the day, but yeah, we'll have to see. So Tesla, we'll go over that as well. So now, if we end up in MU, okay, hold on, I think you guys did tag me in that. 1 second here. Let me see. MU, let me see. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look at MU. MU. Yo, Megs, what's up? Good to see you. And DG, yeah, DG, RIVN and DG. Yeah, we'll go over that too. I think DG looks really good. Yo, Jerry, what's up? Yeah, I just seen that right now. Thoughts on MU. I'm seeing if it holds over this 98.50. Oh, go up to. Yeah, we'll go over that. So yeah, no worries. Am I in the queues? As of right now, no, not anymore. It was more of just a small scout. Personally, I did see a swing on it on a 4-hour possible end of day, but as of right now, definitely not. So yeah, top wall, bottom wall, inside the middle, we do have the empty space. Yeah, no worries, man. I appreciate you for tuning back into the live stream. Alright, so yes, as of right now, there's nothing I would want to do except for just to wait because we are still in this consolidation area. Obviously, we took an entry on the Qs a little bit earlier, and we had a couple other good ones too as well. So 1 second, that was on the Qs. Let's go to teach me. Yeah, so pretty much we're going to go over some examples, what I will be looking at, what I'll be looking for, and yeah, no worries. Just ask your questions along the way, and let me get off of a 5-minute chart. So pretty much what I see here, and yeah, we'll go over MU right after this one, and all the other ones too you guys want me to look at. All right, so, and thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. All right, let's get rid of that. All right, so Tesla, we're on a 24-hour chart. Okay, so, and what I see here, and also if you're in my VIP Discord, Rug Reality just dropped another good message inside the Discord. You can see for more learning as well. MU has a better setup on the weekly. With all right, yeah, no worries. We'll take a look at that too. All right, 1 second. All right, so on Tesla, this is what I have here, and personally, yes, we do have empty space here. Looks like we won't be getting this one today, but what I see here, yo, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. And yes, let's go to a lower time frame and let's break this down. So as you can see right here, yeah, this looks really good. So let's just pretend, you know, or let's just say we're looking for a trade. I'm looking for consolidation, and as you can see, this is the consolidation. This is a wall that we need. Obviously, first thing is first. What I saw here first was a clear move up of no consolidation, and this is exactly what I want to the downside. But what will I need in order for us to take this to the downside? We need a top wall and a bottom wall. So basically, these candles are consolidating, or going back and forth between each other. And what I am looking for, what I am waiting for, actually doesn't look bad at all. So yes, we can see body candle, and also, so two body candles closing directly at the same price. And this is where price is having a very hard time getting under. If we end up breaking below this wall here, I don't see any resistance till boom, this red candle here. So yes, this is another box. So if we are inside of consolidation, I do not want to take the trade. But if we end up breaking outside of consolidation, I am looking to the next consolidation for the next trade. So yes, we're trading from one box to the next box. If you want to break it down, from one box, so from top wall to bottom wall, inside the middle, we have the empty space. So as you can see, right now, what are we doing? We are completely consolidating. There's just nothing that, you know, I would want to do here except for wait. And we wait for all of our trades. And yes, if you want to see what we did inside the VIP Discord today, you can look at the games page. You can see, you know, I haven't even posted any of the charts. But yes, you can see what we did in the games page called the Qs. Did pretty well on that today. But yes, you can see what we do here. We mainly wait for swing trades. So yes, if you're in my Discord or if you're planning on joining, we mainly swing trade at the end of the day. Clear move down, no consolidation. Once we break outside the wall, we go up the tap. So yes, before, after. So same thing, JPM. If we're inside the wall, if we're inside of the box, there's just nothing that I would want to do here. But if we end up breaking above, I want to go up and tap a target. So yes, you can see all of my charts are going to be the same. You can ask the members what we do here. We don't change anything. So yes, I'm looking for an area of no consolidation. As you can see, lunar 24-hour chart. I'm waiting for a break outside of a top wall to the upside. We end up going above and targeting and tapping. So yes, that's pretty much it. All that I'm looking for. So that is on. And yes, link is in the bottom for the Discord. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. But yeah, we did have a couple good scalps today. Looking forward to some swing trades though. All right, so now let's go to, and SPY was a crazy one. So let's go to MU really quickly. So yeah, Jerry, I got you, my guy. Yeah, no worries. So 1 second here. Let's see. So 1 second. All right, so MU. This one. Okay, hold on. Let's go to a 4 hour, and then let's go to so let's go actually start a 24 hour. I did see something here though, so it does look really decent. As you can see, Yeah, I had a few good trades earlier today. So personally, I'm just gonna wait for the end of the day swings. But yeah, I definitely had a pretty good trade for sure. Oh man, hold on, give me a second here. All right, cool. All right, yeah, this looks really good. So personally, on a 4-hour, this is what I like here. So yes, we do have a top wall, also a bottom wall here. And this top wall that we need to break is this 98.15 area. And you can see we have body candle, body wick, another body wick, and another body candle closing directly at the same price. And if we end up, so yes, why do I have this box? It's because I see that there's empty space. So yes, we have a clear move down of no consolidation. And this is exactly what I want to the upside. You can see if we end up breaking above that wall there, I don't see any resistance until this green candle here. And yes, what is this? Another top wall, bottom wall there. And yes, in the middle. So yes, we're not trading. So we're not trading inside the box. We're trading from one box to the next. We have empty space that we like. Hopefully at the end of the day, we can end up breaking above that wall there. First TP would still be from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. Obviously, yes, guys, please do your own research. So yes, before you do anything, you all have to do your own research as well. So yes, not financial advice. Okay. So yeah, that looks really good. Hopefully end of day. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, that looks really good. 98. Yeah, that looks really decent. Let's see. We have empty space above, so we'll have to see how, you know, that ends up playing after end of day. Doesn't look bad though. Call NQ London up. Thanks, bro. Yeah, no worries, man. Keep up the great work, bro. Good to see you once again. And Tesla on the 1 week and also QQQ on the 1 hour. Yeah, let's take a look at that too as well. Good to see you all once again. Hold on one second here. Gonna pin your comment. Good stuff, bro. So 1 second here. Tesla, the keys. All right. So let's see. Let's go to RIVN right now. RIVN, yeah, we're pretty much go over everything though. So yeah, let's look for some more trades. So let's go to a 24-hour. We'll go to a higher time frame and then we'll break it down as well. All right, so as of right now. All right, so hold on. My bad, guys. Let's see. So it looks like we did end up tapping into this empty space above us. Looks like we could end up going to the 1649. Yo, Whiskey Golden, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. But yeah, we can definitely do that. Apple, yeah, perfect. Hope you guys are having a blessed day today. AAPL. All right, cool. All right, RIVN. It looks like, yeah, as I was saying earlier, we had a top wall. So this was like what, last week? By earlier is what I meant. We did end up breaking above this top wall, correct? We ended up going up into this empty space. First TP was obviously, you know, hit. And then we ended up trying to finish the move. So that looks really good. Thanks for looking again. I feel more confident now looking for trades. Dude, yeah. This is exactly what we have the Discord for. Like, make sure to post your charts. Make sure to, you know, if you guys and gals want, link is at the bottom for the Discord. You know, it's not just me in there. It's, you know, I have moderators, I have other good people, you know, looking at trades. We're all looking at charts pretty much 24/7. Obviously, you know, I do have my personal setups that I like to take the team, but yeah, there are a couple good ones that look really well. So yeah, it's a group effort for sure. All right, so it looks like we did end up targeting to this upside. So looks like I don't want to take this trade at all, because, you know, final TP has already been hit, or about to be hit. But what I do see, so let's just say at some point in time, we do end up trotting down to the downside. What do we see here? Top wall, bottom wall there. And underneath this bottom wall, I see empty space. Down to this, down here. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Keep up the great work, bro. Tempest AI, I think it's what, TM. Yeah, we'll go over that. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I gotta grab my charger. Gonna grab me some other stuff too. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. And yes, link is in the bio for the Discord. We have the free version and the VIP, or you can watch my live streams. But just remember, not financial advice. Do your own research. Give me 1 second here. All right, guys, got my charger. Give me 1 second here. Give me 1 sec. All right. Yeah, we're good. Let's see. Pull up. Okay, cool. All right, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Looks like RVN might hit that 1649 area. I'll be right back. 1 second. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm back. I'm here. All right, so let's see. Let's read the comments. 1 second here. Yeah, I don't know what I just did, but it made my screen so much darker. One second. Yeah, hold on. Give me a second. I don't know why this made my screen so much darker. All right, hold on. All right, cool, perfect. Yeah, we should be good here. 1 second. Oh, dang, I didn't even know I could do that. That's crazy. Alright, so anyways, let's get straight to it. Hopefully you guys can see that as well. Alright, so now, let's get straight to it now. Hopefully you guys can see my charts. I don't know why it's so dark. I don't know. Hold on, give me a second. Let me enhance this. Give me a second. Hold on. Yeah, dude, I got you. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to fix this. Dummy campaigns. Well, I guess I can't fix it. All right, it's cool. Hold on, give me a second there. I guess it looks really cool, I guess, but it's just really dark. All right, so now let's get straight to it. My bad. So as of right now, let's see. It doesn't look bad though. It looks pretty cool. So right now, let's keep going. Apple. Okay, yeah, we'll go over Apple too. APL. We did MU. We did pretty much everything. So we didn't do DG. Yo, Max, thanks for liking the live. Really appreciate it. Can you see my charts okay? Hopefully you guys can. So for Apple, it looks like... Hold on. Wait 1 second here. Well, it looks like Apple actually hit my first TP. So what I seen here, or what I seen. Obviously, no, I didn't get into this one. Had another one that I didn't end up getting into. So yes, we had a clear move down of no consolidation that I wanted to take to the upside. Look what happened here. So yeah, we did end up breaking above this top wall. Hold on, I think we did this on even a 30 minute. Let me see, make sure it lines up. So yeah, perfect. So yeah, we did this on the 30 minute. We ended up breaking above my top wall, which allowed us into this empty space. So we broke above. We ended up touching my first TP. So this is the imbalance. This is where price can end up rejecting. And look what happened. Price ended up rejecting. So yeah, we closed above. Personally, how did we end up getting this it's because we have from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. This is the imbalance. This is where price can end up rejecting. And we did end up rejecting under there. But, oh, hold on. We may, and I mean we may, end up punching back. So we rejected this. So if we end up finishing the move to the upside, that would be great. Not bad, though. And no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. Not financial advice. So yes, you all have to do your own research. All right, so now that was on AAPL. Let's look. DG. All right, so I was thinking about DG the other day, actually. I think it was on Friday. TM as well. Yeah, Whiskey Golden. Yeah, no worries. All right, TM. Let's pull that up too as well. All right, one second here. Wow, TEM doesn't look bad though. 1 second. Alright, so let's see. Let's see what the damage is here. SPY, yep, no worries. Alright, so now let's keep going. So personally for me on TEM, this is what I like here. Okay, actually. Alright, so this is, what I really would want here. So I do see another play here. But yes, right here we do have this clear move up of no consolidation. As you can see, we have this clear move up. So all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do we have here? A bottom wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target to the downside here. Looks like we are clearly consolidating. So there's just nothing that I would want to do here except for just wait. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. Just going to wait on that. Obviously, I did see the 1 hour though. So on the 1 hour, this is what I saw here. Looks like we did have this top box. Bottom wall there. We ended up breaking above. Let's see if we can go up to this upside into this empty space. So yes, first TP would still be the middle of the move. Doesn't look bad though. All right, so now as you can see, that was on there. DG looks really good. Personally, I was thinking about this end of day on Friday, but it doesn't look bad. As you can see, yeah, we do have the empty space that looks really good. I think we had this over. Yeah, over this 97.28 area. Looks really decent, not bad. We'll just have to see how everything lines up though. Doesn't look terrible. Let's see. Pepsi, PayPal. If it'll load. Oh wait, hold on. Oh wait, give me a second. Oh, that is some empty space. Hold on, give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. Oh yeah, and the Qs. Yeah, let me pull up the Qs as well. Looks like TM's trying to in the empty space there. All right, QQQ. Let's see here. Yo, thanks for the follow. We appreciate it. Thanks for all the follows. 1 second. All right, so wow, PayPal looks really good. Let's see though. QQQ will go down to a lower time frame, probably even a. All right, so for the Qs, this is what I have here, and yes, this is So on a 4 hour, there was empty space to the upside. So hold on a 4 hour, there does look like there's empty space to the upside if we can break above a wall. But as of right now, for me, let's see, the 1 hour on a lower time frame, so like for a lower, closer time play, this is what I'm looking for. Let's see. 1 second here, 1 second. And yes, guys and gals, if you want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can see what we do here inside the Discord. We mainly do end of day swings. So yes, the end of day is when we swing trade. As you can see, this is what we do here. This is what we want. So at the end of the day, so yes, the last hour, the last 30 minutes is when I mainly get into most of my trades. As you can see, clear move down, no consolidation. Wants to break above the wall. We go up and tap. So yes, most of the market moves, you know, obviously after hours. So we're trying to catch the after hour move, pretty much. But yes, all of my trades, all of my charts are going to look exactly like. Hold on, I just want to show you the charts. Can't show you anything else but the charts. And yes, clear move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above the wall. We go up a tap. So same thing there. So 1 second. So let's see. Actually, yeah, this looks really decent. So this was the original play that I was, you know, pretty much waiting for, but we ended up scalping it up to the upside. You can see that in the games page what the members and I did. So, boom. And then we had a nice lotto on there as well over the weekend. Alright, so as of right now, what do we see? We had a clear move up of no consolidation. So right now, this looks really decent. So I see a clear, easy move up that I would love to take to the downside. Yo, Lance, what's up? Zim? Yeah, let me go over that. Yeah, no worries. Actually, let me just pull it up for you. See how, yeah. Alright, so that's cool. Perfect. Alright, so do you do anything other than puts? Yo, Scott, what's up? So I know I'm named the Put Brothers. I will be honest, I do love my puts, but yes, you know, I will get into calls, of course, if the play, you know, is there. As you can see, like, we had a quick scout a little bit today on the Qs. I didn't post a chart yet, but it was just more of a scout, and that was for, you know, for calls. Obviously, you know, this was more of a put play, but yes, I definitely do like calls too, for sure. So yeah, as you can see right here, right now, fire, man, fire. Keep up the great work, man. Good to see you. So yes, clear move up, no consolidation. Once we end up breaking underneath this wall here, I don't see any resistance still. Boom, this red candle here. And yes, what is this? Another top. Another bottom wall there. And inside the middle, we have, from the entry to the exit, in the middle, we do have the empty space that looks really good. So as of right now, there's just nothing that I would want to do except for just to wait, because we are still stuck in this consolidation zone inside of this area. So I'm personally just going to wait for a decent trade on this. But yeah, it doesn't look bad, though. It doesn't look bad at all. As you see, it looks pretty decent. So let's go to Zim. Yo, Lance, got you, man. I think I do see something on the 30-minute, but let me go down. Let me go to a higher time frame first, and we'll break it down. All right, so it looks like, I will be honest, it looks like we did tap in this empty space already. Let's go down to a lower time frame. Hold on 1 second. Actually, this doesn't look bad at all. So what I see here, and yes, same exact thing. What do we have? So we have a top wall. We have this bottom wall here. So this bottom wall that I'm seeing, it's just basically points of contact that look really decent. And yes, what do we have under us? Empty space. So yes, clear move up that I would love to take to the downside. If we end up breaking under this wall here, I don't see any resistance to boom. This red candle here. And yes, in the middle, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is, you know, going to be our take profit. So that's pretty much it. So that looks really good. Personally, for me, we're still, you know, in consolidation, or we're, you know, going to the upside. So there's just nothing that I would want here, except for just waiting. Alright, so that was on Zim. And yes, pretty much just waiting for us to end of day swings. let's keep on going. So MSCR, let's go to a higher time frame. Let's go to a 24-hour. Let's go see some more trades as well. So yeah, pretty much just go down the list, and I do want to see some setups that are, you know, ready to form. And this is pretty much how I do everything. If I see my setup, if I see my trade, that's exactly when I take it. If I don't see anything, then I move on to the next stock. As of right now, let's see. Do we do BA? Oh man, yeah, that looks really good. Hopefully we can get that pretty soon. But as of right now, hold on, let me go ahead and add an alert on there. So yes, this looks really, really decent too as well. Boom, we have this clear move down of no consolidation. That looks really good. That I would love to take to the upside. As you can see, yo, Sarah, what's up, what's up? Anything on SPY? Yeah, we'll go over SPY too. Yeah, no worries. Good to see you all once again. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream. So personally, for BA, I've been waiting on this one for, you know, quite a minute. So yes, if we end up breaking above this 214 area, I'm looking for the next resistance, which I don't see until this 225 area. So that looks really decent, looks really good. Just gonna wait for this trade. Doesn't look bad though. Not bad at all, not bad at all. So yes, we're still consolidating in, you know, that trade. BA SPY looks pretty decent. You're the man, Put Brothers. Thank you for helping PBS. Makes sense to me. Yo, thank you so much, man. Appreciate it so much, Johns. Hold on, let me go ahead and pin the comment. Oh my gosh, what happened? Alright, I did not mean to do that. Hold on one second here. It shouldn't be that. Alright, yeah, we're good. Should be good now. Alright, that's kind of bright. Hold on. Alright, yeah, we're good. Alright, so now let's keep on going. For SPY at least, let's see. Yo, thanks for that like. Just really appreciate it. Alright, so 1 second here. Dude, how did I do that? Hold on 1 second. I only know how to trade. I don't know. Alright, hold on 1 second. 1 second here. Rivian looks good. Yeah, I'll take a look at that too. It does it. Yo, thanks for the gifts. Really appreciate it. So as of right now for RIVN, this is what I have, or not RIVN, but SPY. So on a lower time frame, I think we did this on a 1 hour, I believe. So let's see. 1 hour chart. Let's look. So right now, let's go down to even a 30 minute. And I'm not gonna lie, I saw SPY. I saw a couple other ones, SPY the Fuse, they were doing some crazy things, some crazy wicks earlier today, and I was like, yeah, I didn't even want to take a trade until we could even, you know, we stopped doing that, and we did end up stop doing that. So 1 second here. As you can see right now, there's a clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. We do have, so yes, we have a top wall and also a bottom wall here. So 1 second here. We have a top wall and also this bottom wall here. And this bottom wall, this is basically an area that needs to be broken in order for us to target to this downside. And all you need to know, if we end up breaking below that downside here, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle there. So yeah, that looks really good. It looks really, really decent. And boom, not bad. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is our empty space. So this is exactly what we want. As of right now, am I going to get in this trade? Absolutely not, because we are, you know, still stuck in consolidation. I don't want to do anything except for just wait. And yes, in my Discord, I have the same trade each and every day. You can see, I'll post charts for the day too as well. But yes, you can see what the members and I did just today in the Discord as well. And let's look. Clear move down, no consolidation. I'm waiting for a break outside of my wall here. We end up breaking above, we go up and tap and target. So as you can see, yes, each trade is gonna be the same. JPM, 24-hour charts. And yes, we mainly swing trade inside the Discord. So if you are planning on joining, we mainly swing trade at the end of the day. And yes, you can ask all of my team members. You can ask anyone. Sometimes even the last 5 to 10 minutes is when I mainly get into the entries. I know it sounds crazy. I know it sounds like, why in the world would I do that at all? But you have to understand, I am waiting. So yes, let's just say, for this example here, we have a clear move down of no consolidation, and we're on a 24-hour time frame. So yes, we are waiting for a 24-hour candle closure. As you can see, what do I see here? So we end up breaking above a wall. So yes, each candle is worth 24 hours. So each candle is worth 1 day, and I'm waiting for a break outside at the end of the day. So yes, the last hour, the last 5 minutes. And if we are broken above my wall, so as you can see, we broke above the wall at the end of the day, that's when we get in. So sometimes even 358. So like, yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but yes, we end up swinging it to the upside, and that's how I do all of my trades. You can see how we pretty much call it out in the VIP Discord as well. VIP Discord, best decision I made. Yo, shout out to Danny, really appreciate it, man. Thanks for being part of the team. Could you eyeball coin? Yeah, let's do it. Coin, no worries. Cabros knows. Dude, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. So honestly, man, we had a couple good little plays as well today, so we did really good. Yes, yeah. So yeah, you know, most of the market moves, you know, overnight. You know, pre-market, aftermarket. That's exactly when it moves. So we're trying to catch the bigger move. And as you can see, like, let's just say for, hold on, what's a good example here? Hold on, 1 second here, 1 second here. Like for Tesla, for example, like I look for the bigger time frame moves. I don't care about, you know, the 2-minute time frame. I don't care about the 1 minute. I'm looking at the 24 hours. So, you know, I look for quality setups. As you can see for this here, let's see. This was a move from, let's see. Hold on. Let's see. This 298 area all the way up to this 326 area. And if I would have tried to take this during the day, we would have gapped up into the, you know, into the area. So there's no way I could have, you know, day traded it because it happened overnight. And that went up to this 321 area. Obviously, as you can see, what I'm looking for, clear move down of no consolidation. If we end up breaking above, this wall here, this is exactly what I'm looking to the upside. So yes, as of right now, there's nothing that I would want to do except for just to wait. Sure, you've checked SPY a million times. Yeah, I definitely did. Could you analyze? Yeah, I can go over it. Yeah, no worries. I'll go over it, you know, from head to toe, pretty much. Yeah, we'll definitely do it. So yeah, let's get straight to it. I don't know why that made me laugh. Yeah, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Thanks for all the likes too, by the way. So yeah, let's go to a 24-hour, 4-hour looks really good. Yo, Rune, what's up? Yeah, I can definitely go over that again. Yeah, no worries. 1 second here. And yes, if you're in my VIP Discord, I will be in there the last hour giving entries. All right, so hold on. Get this off my screen, please. There we go. All right, let's go to a higher time frame. Or a lower time frame, sorry. Hold on. Lower time frame. Ooh, that looks good. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so this is what I have here. That doesn't look bad. I do like this 1 hour. Let me see if the 30-minute looks good too. 30-minute, 254, 251. All right, so yes, this is what I have here that, you know, that I like the most. As you can see here, we do have, let's see here. Hold on, where's the tool at? Brush. Okay, cool. Clear move up, no consolidation. And we do have this, let's see. There's a top wall. So yes, top and bottom wall. So these walls that I'm making, they aren't just random walls like, oh, this dude is just making random boxes and just hoping it just breaks out. No. Obviously, it's buyer's control and seller's control as well. And this bottom wall here needs to be broken in order for us to target to this downside. So as you can see here, let's see. Boom. Body candle, body candle. So that's 2 body candles closing directly at the same price. So if we end up breaking underneath this wall here, I don't see any resistance. Hold on. Dude, you guys are... The comments in the comment section is going... It's wild. Anyways, my bad. Hold on. KB Trade said, it's market close next Monday. And then Hop said, really, is that a question? I don't know why that made me laugh so hard. My bad. Sometimes I look at the chat and I'm like, wow, these people are so funny. Yo, Hoop, yeah, I got you with Nike, no worries. And I'll check the DMs later as well. Myra, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Did we go over the Q? I think we went over the Qs, but yeah, we'll go over them again, no worries. So yes, if we end up breaking under this wall here, I don't see any resistance till boom, this red candle there. As you can see, from the entry to the exit is going to be my first CP. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. So yeah, as of right now, we are pretty much consolidating. So do I want to take a trade on this? Absolutely not. So no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. Not financial advice. Yo, Logan, what's up, man? RIVN and also, so hold on. We'll go over SPY, the Qs. Let me analyze SPY really quickly. We know we pretty much checked it, but let me analyze it. So yeah, I did see the 30-minute, but let's go to a, the better move, the bigger move that I am waiting for. So I'm pretty much waiting for the end of day swings. I do have a couple good setups that I am, personally waiting for. But yeah, we'll have to see. Honestly, no, I'm not into any of these swings right now. Dude, man, I'm not gonna lie, that was the craziest thing I've seen. It happened, what, like 3 times on, like, so you can see, yeah, it had 3 weeks. It was wild. I was like, man, whoever just called that crazy. But anyways, as you can see here, what am I looking at? What am I looking for? So yes, I see this clear move. So what I'm personally waiting for, we see a clear move up that has no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the downside. And as you can see here, we do have this bottom wall that needs to be broken. So 2 body candles closing directly at the same line that we need to break. Obviously, I get it. We're at this 594 area. There is empty space above us. I get it. But let's just say if we do end up breaking below this wall here, where buyers gain control, I'm looking for the next resistance. And for me, I don't see any resistance, guys and gals. And so boom, this red candle here. And yes, inside the middle, from the entry to the exit, inside the middle we have the empty space that looks really good. So yeah, as of right now, there's just nothing that I would want to do except for just to wait for this trade. So that is on spot. So yes, it looks like we still can, end up going up, but as of right now, definitely don't want to do anything. SPY, RIVN, let's go over that as well. And then, yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything else. And yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. VIP chat is where we give signals. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We have a lot more information there too as well. So yes, links to the bottom for the Discord. I think I may post a promo code today. We'll have to see though. A lot of people were asking, so might just drop one. Hold on one second. Read in the chat. Make sure we're good. General. We're good. 301. All right, perfect. Yo, I know what's up. What's up? SY. Hold on. We went over Zemia. SYTA. We'll definitely go over that too as well. So 1 second. So we went over. So yeah. Personally, it looks like. Hold on. So RIVN. It does look like, I will be honest, yes, we already targeted into the empty space above us. And boom. I don't see any resistance to a boom. This is what, for this 1649 area. But personally, I don't want to, you know, get into this trade because we did end up targeting to this upside already. But what do I do see here is also we have a clear move up of no consolidation. So if we end up breaking below this wall here, I don't see any resistance to boom here. This another wall. So basically, we're trading from one box to the next box here. 1 second here, 1 second. What time do you post signals on your Discord? So for my swing trades, my swing trades are going to be very more important because that's what we mainly focus on. But yes, I mainly post all of my swing trades like right after my live stream, or maybe if I see it during the live, or you know, not during live, but before the live, I'll post it inside the Discord, so you'll see everything in my potential setups. 1 second here. So yeah, everything will be in my potential setups. I used to post like every single setup I wanted, but we are, you know, pretty much just going with, you know, a couple of decent setups each day, so we know that the whole team is in the same, on the same page, pretty much. So I'm not just trying to overflow, you know, all the members with, you know, 100 different types of trades, and you know, they can't even catch it. So yes, I do try to, you know, do a couple decent setups that I see, and you can see that inside the VIP Discord what we do. So yeah, pretty much that's it. End of day. And yes, if we see like a day trade, I definitely will pretty much post it too. So this is how I pretty much do everything here. As you can see, like, hold on. Trade like this for APOD. This play actually hit. You can see we had APOD calls. I gave instructions on what I was looking at, and I gave the chart. So yes, I give out instructions on what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. But yes, you all have to do your own research. Not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. Amy, what's up? RDDT, let's do it as well. So hold on, RAVN. Personally, yeah, I definitely don't want to take this trade. Since, you know, the move was already kind of made. But yeah, it doesn't look bad though. 1 second here, let's change that. SYTA. Alright. 24-hour charts. HD has earnings. Hold on. Man, you know, those puts didn't sound bad now, did they? I mean, yeah, we could end up, you know, going to the upside. There is empty space above here, but that empty space down there didn't look bad. Alright, so SYTA. Alright, yeah, it doesn't look bad. So, as you can see, what do we have here? And yes, same exact thing, guys and gals. We have this clear move down of no consolidation that I would love to take to the upside. Obviously, what do we need here? Top wall. Also, we have the bottom wall there. And it looks like we are trying to break above this, and if we end up breaking, closing above that wall there, I don't see any resistance to boom. The screen candle here. Well, it doesn't look bad. Yes, this can also be at the wall. So inside the middle, we do have the empty space that looks really good. Doesn't look bad. Not bad. Yo, thanks for 4,000 likes. You guys and gals are going crazy. Really appreciate it. So yes, empty space that looks really good. Doesn't look bad there. So now let's keep on going. HD, that looks really good too. So, yes, we do have empty space above us. So if we end up breaking above, we could end up just trotting above. But yeah, seller's control looks good to the downside as well. Yeah, earnings are more of like a 50-50 shot. So yeah, if I post any earnings plays, they're going to be in, you know, my lottos play. You can see what we pretty much do here. Even, you know, the Qs did pretty good. Delo, you can see what we did here. Lotto plays. Obviously, yes, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yes, clean move down, no consolidation. We ended up breaking above the wall, and yeah, you can see what we did there. So, yeah, that was a great one. So we caught Lunar as well. Caught a couple other good ones. But yeah, all in the VIP Discord as well. But yeah, let's look at Zom too. So Zom looks like it's not even ready. So yeah, it looks like Zom pretty much just went down. As you can see, yes, I'm pretty much still waiting on this entry to this upside. We do have the AB space above us, but we're still stuck inside of this consolidation. So I just don't want to take a trade right now, especially not on this yet. But now, let's keep on going. No, I'm not even in it. So, yeah, we're not even, it's not even a valid play. So, it's just more like, you know, I have to wait for this to actually, for it to be a valid play. So, as you can see, empty space looks good, but no. Definitely, if we're, you know, in consolidation, I'm definitely not going to be in this. You think Spy will... Spy? Hold on 1 second. We'll go over that, too. Bro, you're skipping my comment? Yo, Talent, what's up, dude? Honestly, I don't think I am. I think, you know, it's filtering my, my comments. That was your first comment I've seen. But yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But yeah, Talent, let me know. Yeah, let me know what you wanted me to look at. All right, so for Spy at least, this is what I'm seeing here. All right, hold on. We do have. All right, so it looks like. Hold on 1 second here. CRWV. Hold on, let me pull that up. See, CRWV. We'll pull that up. Yeah, no worries. HD Spy. So at least for me, I did like that downside movement. Looks like we still have some empty space up here if we can end up going up, but and this is what I see. Yes, there is empty space here. That doesn't look bad, but I also see this. So we have this clear move down and no consolidation that I would love to take to the upside, and boom, what do we have here? Top wall, bottom wall there. And this top wall that I'm seeing here that looks really good, that looks really decent. 2 body candles closing directly at the same price. And if we end up breaking above this wall here, I'm looking for the next resistance, which is up here, this green candle there. So yes, top, bottom wall. Inside the middle, we have the empty space that we like. So as of right now, we are, you know, near this wall, so just gonna have to wait on that. But from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be the imbalance. And yes, this is where we trim most contracts. As for today, we had another great day trade as well. This week already starting off pretty good. We had a nice little scalp. As you can see, we ended up calling the scalps here. Please claim profits. This was around like 114. So this was right before I got on live. So we did really good. Will the box continue to the right? Let's see. So yeah, pretty much. So I just created the wall here, and yeah, the box would still end up going to the right. So, and this is how, you know, I can see, oh, which, you know, level needs to be broken, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, as of right now, it looks like we are trying to reclaim this floor here, so we just have to be very careful as well. Yo, my friend, what's up? What's up? Yeah, let's do it as well. UPS, let's see. And yes, guys, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. And if you are in my Discord, I will be in there shortly. So yeah, no worries at all. Yo, thanks for liking the live. Shout out to Yuli for pulling up. So 1 second here. Yo, Talent, what happened, man? What happened? I can't see any of your comments. That was the only comment I've seen. I've seen that one and the other one. So no, I'm not ignoring anyone. I'm looking at literally all the comments as well. 1 second here. All right, so for UPS, this is what I'm seeing here. That looks really decent. That looks really good. But no, guys, I'm not ignoring anyone. If I can't see the comment, it's probably because they filtered it out. Yeah, it's telling me it's filtering out. So yes, guys, just give me a DM if you have any anything you guys want to say. Nvidia, yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. And yes, guys, please remember, please do your own research, not financial advice, of course. All right, so HOD and Nvidia, yeah, no worries. So yes, top wall that I'm seeing here, we end up breaking above this wall. I don't see any resistance until boom, this green candle there. And yeah, this looks really decent. So as of right now, there's just nothing that I will want to do here, except for just to wait. Personally, this one is a very slow mover to it anyway, so may just skip this one. So NVIDIA and also HOD, yeah, no worries. Hold on one second. HOD, NVDA. Oh, there looks like there's something there. So for NVIDIA at least, this is what I have here, and we'll go to a higher or a lower time frame. Break this one down a bit. So personally, for me, this is what I see. That looks, really decent. Yeah, no worries. Good to see you once again. So yeah, I think we did this on a 1 hour, I believe. All right, yeah. So 1 hour chart. We had a clear move up of no consolidation. And once we end up breaking below wall, so yes. Yo, Thick Stars, what's up? What's up? KO, yeah, we'll go over that too as well. So yes, we had a clear move up, or we have a clear move up of a no consolidation. And let's just say, probably not today, but at some point in time, we do end up breaking under this like bottom wall here. So let me make it perfect. You can see body wick, body candle, and another body candle closing directly at the same price. And all that I'm waiting for is a break and body candle closure underneath this wall. And I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle here. So yes, that looks really good. As of right now, I'm just going to wait. It doesn't look bad though. All right, so KO, cool. HOD. One second. Let's see. All right, so it looks like, okay, it does look like we did end up targeting to this upside. We did end up breaking above this wall. I didn't end up missing this one, but it's fine. But earnings will be a perfect catalyst for NVIDIA. They never perform good for market makers. Dude, honestly, they have some good earnings plays for sure. I think I hit one, I think it was like a month or two ago. I had a whole video on it too. What is the next space above 63? So if we get above the 63, personally, let's see. Let's go to a weekly time frame. So it looks like there's just nothing to stop us if we break above this 65.34 area. So that doesn't look bad at all. Personally, what I see here is this. So if we do end up, so let's just say, let's see, clear move up, no consolidation. We end up, so yes, we would need top wall, bottom wall here. And yes, this bottom wall that I am seeing looks really good. So yes, we would need to break under that. And I don't see any resistance to boom. This 54 area. So right now, yes, if we end up breaking above there, it doesn't look like there's nothing to stop it, at least. But yeah, there is also empty space below here too, so that doesn't look bad at all. So it does look bad. So yeah, looks like it's trying to go both ways. We end up breaking above that. It does look bad though. Yeah, no worries, man. Shout out to Money Bags. Really appreciate it. Tuning back in. Hold up, I'm reading the VIP chat. It's pretty funny. All right, so now let's keep on going. Yo, thanks so much for the follows. Really appreciate it. Is it for tomorrow if I... Yeah, that's so funny. Alright, anyways, now let's keep on going. So, KO, let's look at this. So, it looks like, okay, this does look pretty decent. Let's go to a, let me go to a 24-hour. So, 24-hour, I don't see anything that I like. Let me go down to a lower time frame. So, yes, inside the Discord, we mainly swing trade, but if I don't see anything on the 24-hour, then I just work my way down. And what I see here, and yeah, same exact thing here. It doesn't look bad here. So yes, we do have this clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. All that I would need here, basically, is top wall and also bottom wall. So as you see, this bottom wall here is basically points of contact and where these candles need to break below. And if we end up breaking below that wall there, I don't see any resistance to boom. This red candle there. And yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be exactly what I want. So yeah, it looks really decent, looks really good. I'm just going to wait on that. Let's see how that ends up playing out. Doesn't look bad though. Not bad at all. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. So yes, I got a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. You guys and gals know that by now. So yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat as well. That's where we give signals. Maybe posting a discount code today too as well. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. I may be doing another live stream after market close, but if not, I will see you all in the Discord or in the morning. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.